It's time for dinner, sisters. Come and see how delicious the braised fish nuggets I made today are. I bought a grass carp today to make braised fish nuggets. This fin must be cut off. It's also the source of the smell. After cleaning it up, cut it into pieces. Cut in half like me. Flour knife. Like this, it's easier to taste when it marinates later. Add onion and ginger to the cut fish pieces. Cooking wine pepper. More salt. Give it light soy sauce and mix well. Marinate for at least half an hour or more. Be sure to pour out the marinated water and wipe it clean before placing it in the pot. If you are afraid of sticking to the pan, sprinkle some fluff salt. Happy pickling in the pot. Be sure to put the fish skin down when placing the pot. It's not easy to stick to the pan, easier to shape. If the saucepan doesn't move, fry the fish for a while longer. Fry until brown, then turn it over and continue to fry until browned on both sides. Then take the fish to the side. Pour in ginger, garlic, green and red peppers and fry until fragrant. Drizzle a little cooking wine to remove the fishy smell and increase the fragrance. A little bit of light soy sauce with colored Dragon Brand soy sauce. Add boiling water. If you can eat spicy food, please add some chili powder. Go! For 5 or 6 minutes. Add some scallions before serving. Huge delicious braised fish nuggets.